Ladies and gentlemen, we warmly welcome you to today's UDI UDAMED webinar 2021. My name is Celine Felber. I'm a business consultant at Europe IT Consulting and specialized in the implementation of UDI projects. I've been working as a consultant for several years now, especially in the IT consulting field, and I'm happy to share my knowledge with you. With me today are Tao Lin and Ismail Demialp.
I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tao Lin, Project Manager, and internally lead the UDI China development and the preparatory project for UDI implementation in China at Europe IT Consulting. I have more than 15 years of SAP experience, and I'm very pleased to be able to help your company to register your medical devices, together with my team members and our know-how.
Thank you, Tao. My name is Ismail Demialp. I'm supporting since many years medical device manufacturers in the UDI projects to comply with the UDI requirements of the FDA. And recently we are supporting medical device companies to comply with the MDR and IVDR. And we are also implementing software solutions to collect all necessary UDI informations. I'm also responsible for the internal development project of our UDI SAP add-on solutions for FDA and the European Commission. We have prepared many very interesting content for today, so let's start with our presentation. And now I will introduce our agenda for today. Our first topic is the worldwide UDI activities, which will be presented by Celine. Our second agenda point is the current status of the UDI implementation of the European Commission and the UDI in China, presented by Celine and Tao. I will show you in the third agenda point the possibilities how the UDI data management can be realized and the most important processes within the data management. And in our last agenda point, I will give you an overview about the data submission options of the three authorities, FDA, European Commission and NMPA. And last but not least, we have picked out the most asked questions related to UDI and will give you the answers for that.